নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল শিক্ষা অসম চেনেলটোলৈ তোমালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি মই হায়াৰ ছেকেণ্ডাৰী ছেকেণ্ড ইয়াৰৰ ইংলিছৰ পাঠ্যপুথি ফ্লেমিঙৰ ইণ্ডিগো পাঠটোৰ পাৰ্ট 2 প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰসমূহ আলোচনা কৰিম। এতিয়া আহা প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰসমূহৰ ফালে আগবাঢ়োঁ।
Question number 9. Where did Gandhi stay in Muzaffarpur? Answer. Gandhi stayed for 2 days in the home of Professor Malkani, a teacher of government school in Muzaffarpur. Question number 10. Why did Gandhi chide the lawyers? Answer. Gandhi chided the lawyers for collecting big fee from the sharecroppers. Question number 11. What did the British Commissioner of the Trihut Division ask Gandhi to do? Answer. The British Commissioner of the Trihut Division asked Gandhi to quit Champaran. Question number 12. Why was Professor Malkani's action of offering shelter to Gandhi extraordinary? Answer. In those days, nobody gave shelter to the freedom fighters for the fear of the British. But Malkani did not fear the British and gave shelter to Gandhi for 2 days in his home. For Gandhi, his action was extraordinary. Question number 13. List the places that Gandhi visited between his first meeting with Shukla and his arrival at Champaran. Answer. The places that Gandhi visited between his first meeting with Shukla and his arrival at Champaran are Lucknow, Kanpur, Ashram, Kolkata, Patna, Muzaffarpur and Champaran. Question number 14. How did the episode change the plight of the peasants? Answer. The Champaran episode changed the plight of the peasants. They realized that they had some legal rights and also they could challenge the British landlords who exploited them for years after years. Most importantly, the peasants learned courage. Question number 15. What happened when Gandhi refused to furnish bail at the Muzaffarpur court? Answer. The judge released Gandhi without bail when Gandhi refused to furnish bail at the Muzaffarpur court. Long type question answers. Question number 1. What did the peasants pay the British landlords as rent? What did the British now want instead and why? What would be the impact of synthetic indigo on the prices of natural indigo? Answer. The peasants paid the British the entire indigo harvest as rent. Instead, British now wanted compensation from the sharecroppers for being released from 15% agreement. The synthetic indigo was cheaper than the natural indigo, so it took the market. Question number 2. Why did Gandhi agree to a settlement of 25% refund to the farmers? Answer. Gandhi agreed to a settlement of 25% refund to the farmers because for him the amount of the refund was less important. By this, the landlords had been obliged to surrender part of the money and with it part of their prestige. Question number 3. What did Gandhi do for the spread of education in Champaran? Answer. For the spread of education in Champaran, Gandhi started 6 primary schools. His disciples Mahadev Desai, Narahari Parikh, and their wives became teachers. Many teachers from Pune, Bombay, and other parts of the country taught there. Devdas Gandhi and Kasturbai also taught there. Question number 4. What did Gandhi do to improve health condition in Champaran? Answer. To improve health condition in Champaran, Gandhi got a doctor to volunteer his service for 6 months. Only 3 medicines were available at that time. For coated tongue, the medicine was castor oil. For malaria, fever, the medicine was quinine plus castor oil, and for skin eruptions, the medicine was sulfur ointment plus castor oil. Question number 5. Why did Gandhi refuse to take Andrews? Answer. Andrews, a missionary, loved Gandhi and met Gandhi when he was transferred to Fiji. The lawyer friends advised Gandhi to take him in his ashram, but Andrews happened to be an Englishman. Gandhi opposed because it would prove the weakness of the heart in the fight against the British.